When you buy a new car, you expect it to last at least a few good years before major problems show up. But what if I told you some cars start breaking down before even hitting 40,000 miles? That's barely enough time to finish paying off the loan, yet owners already face costly repairs. These aren't just minor annoyances either. Many of these cars suffer from engine failures, transmission breakdowns, and electrical nightmares long before they should. In this video, we're counting down 17 cars that break before 40,000 miles. Some of these may surprise you, especially since a few come from brands people trust. Stick with me until number 1, because that car is so unreliable that buying one is like throwing money straight into the repair shop. Let's get into it. Number 17, Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevy Traverse looks like a great family SUV, spacious, modern design, and loaded with tech. But many owners report serious reliability problems in the 2018 to 2021 models. Transmissions start slipping and failing well before 40,000 miles, sometimes requiring complete replacement. On top of that, owners complain about engine stalling and electrical glitches that kill the infotainment system. Number 16, Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee is marketed as rugged and adventurous, but the 2014 to 2019 models are notorious for transmission issues. The 9-speed automatic gearbox is jerky, slow to respond, and prone to complete failure early in the vehicle's life. Some owners reported needing a new transmission at just 25,000 miles. Number 15, Hyundai Kona Electric. At first glance, the Hyundai Kona Electric looks like a budget-friendly EV, but reliability problems have plagued many owners. The biggest issue? Battery pack failures. Some drivers reported total battery shutdowns at under 30,000 miles, leaving them stranded. Replacing the pack can cost more than $10,000 if not covered by warranty. Number 14, Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer has been a popular SUV for years, but the latest models aren't holding up. Owners of the 2020 to 2022 Explorer have faced constant problems with the transmission and engine cooling system. In many cases, vehicles start showing these issues before 35,000 miles. Multiple recalls haven't solved everything, and reliability scores remain low. Number 13, Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima once had a reputation as a solid commuter sedan, but the CVT transmission used in models from 2013 to 2018 has ruined that image. Drivers often experience slipping, jerking, or complete transmission failure as early as 25,000 miles. Nissan extended warranties on some models because of widespread failures, but that doesn't make the repair bills any easier to swallow once coverage runs out. Number 12, Volkswagen Atlas. Volkswagen entered the big SUV market with the Atlas, but early reliability has been poor. Owners complain about engine misfires, water pump failures, and faulty fuel injectors, sometimes before 30,000 miles. The Atlas is also known for electrical gremlins, from malfunctioning lights to dead batteries. Considering its price tag of over $34,000, breaking down this early is unacceptable. Number 11, Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento looks like a great deal with its sleek design and family-friendly features. But some models, especially 2016 to 2020 versions, suffer from catastrophic engine failures due to defective bearings. Some engines seize or throw rods at just 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Kia has recalled thousands of vehicles, but the problem still haunts owners. Repairs are expensive, and even replacements don't always guarantee long-term reliability. Number 10, Subaru Ascent. Subaru is known for durability, but the Ascent missed the mark. The 2019 and 2020 models were plagued with problems ranging from transmission failures to weak batteries and faulty climate control systems. Several owners reported needing transmission replacements under 35,000 miles, which is shocking for such a new model. Add in oil consumption issues, and the Ascent is one Subaru you should probably skip. Number 9, Cadillac XT4. Luxury vehicles should provide comfort and peace of mind, but the Cadillac XT4 has done the opposite for many buyers. Complaints of turbocharged engine failures and defective fuel pumps often start before 30,000 miles. The infotainment system is another sore spot. It freezes and glitches frequently, sometimes requiring software resets or even full replacements. For a luxury SUV that starts around $38,000, early breakdowns make it a bad deal. Number 8. Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade is stylish and compact, but underneath, it's full of flaws. Transmission problems, oil leaks, and electrical failures often show up at around 25,000 to 35,000 miles. Owners also complain about constant check engine lights, which sometimes take multiple trips to the dealership to diagnose. While it might look adventurous, the Renegade doesn't hold up in the long run. Number 7. Ford Fiesta. Small cars should be cheap and reliable, but the Ford Fiesta has one of the worst track records in recent memory. The PowerShift automatic transmission in 2011 to 2016 models is notorious for early failure. Drivers experience jerky shifting, hesitation, and in many cases, total breakdown before 40,000 miles. Ford even faced lawsuits over this defective gearbox. If you're looking for a dependable small car, the Fiesta isn't it. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Trucks are supposed to be tough, but the Chevy Silverado 1500 has had major reliability issues. Models from 2014 to 2019 suffer from transmission problems, faulty air conditioning, and steering component failures. Some owners reported complete transmission breakdowns at 35,000 miles or less. Considering how expensive trucks are today, that's a costly risk to take. Number 5. Chrysler Pacifica. The Chrysler Pacifica is marketed as a family-friendly minivan, but many families have faced nothing but stress. The hybrid version especially has problems with the electrical system and charging unit. Owners of 2017 to 2021 models reported engine stalls and dead batteries well before 40,000 miles. While it's spacious and practical, reliability issues make it a poor choice for long-term ownership. Number 4. Land Rover Discovery. Luxury SUVs from Land Rover have always been beautiful but unreliable, and the Discovery is no exception. Engine failures, leaking differentials, and constant electrical problems haunt owners, many appearing before 30,000 miles. The repair bills are massive, often rivaling monthly car payments. For a vehicle that costs upwards of $55,000, this lack of dependability makes it one of the riskiest SUVs you can buy. Number 3. Fiat 500L. The Fiat 500L has already earned a reputation as one of the least reliable cars on the market. Transmission breakdowns, suspension failures, and constant electrical issues show up early, sometimes under 20,000 miles. To make matters worse, resale value is terrible. Some owners reported losing half the car's value within 3 years. No wonder Fiat discontinued it in many markets. Number 2. GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia looks like a practical midsize SUV, but don't let appearances fool you. The 2017 to 2020 models are plagued with transmission issues, air conditioning failures, and power steering breakdowns. Many of these problems start appearing before 35,000 miles. Add in poor resale value and high repair costs, and the Acadia becomes one of the most expensive mistakes a family can make. Number 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. Topping our list is the Mitsubishi Mirage. A car that proves cheap often means expensive in the long run. While it's one of the lowest priced new cars on the market, the Mirage breaks down faster than nearly any competitor. Owners report transmission failures, air conditioning breakdowns, and noisy engines before 40,000 miles. The ride is rough, the cabin feels cheap, and safety ratings are below average. To make it worse, the Mirage is being discontinued in the US, which means resale value will sink even further. Buying one might save money up front, but it's almost guaranteed to cost you thousands more in repairs. And there you have it, 17 cars that break before 40,000 miles. While some may look stylish or come with tempting price tags, the reality is they'll spend more time in the repair shop than on the road. If you want your car to last, these are the models you should definitely avoid. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more honest car guides and click the link below for the list of cars that Consumer Reports actually recommends as nearly perfect.